Let's take a look at our spelling dictionary, and if you will just click on the ABC Spelling Dictionary icon on your main menu. The purpose of this is for you, as you are spell checking, every time you add a word, the word is going to come to this area when you add it to your spell checker. Now the nice thing about that is, if you've spelled a word wrong, like let's take Kathy for a minute, and let's correct the spelling, at least to my liking, and we're going to say update word. So now Kathy is spelled the way I think it should be. So you can change the spelling of any word, as in, if the powers that be change the spelling of a word and you need to update it, you can come here and do that. You can insert words ahead of time if you would like, and if you've added something that is totally wrong and you don't want it in your spell checker for whatever reason, you can highlight it and delete it. Now the nice thing about this, and the whole purpose of it, is that when you're doing spell check, you are all in a hurry to get finished. If you accidentally add a word which is misspelled to your spell checker, you're no longer stuck with it for the rest of your life like we were in the old days. All you need to do is come out to your spelling dictionary auxiliary area, find the word, highlight it, and delete it, or update the spelling of it and correct it. So that's all there is to the spelling dictionary maintenance area.